Canada Cultural Association. I am Palak Suryavanshi updating you with the latest news happenings in India. First, the headlines. Om Shanti Om in UK's top 10. Tata's get in experts for hydrogen car. US invites India to broker peace. Archers create world records. Thorium stock for nuclear power. Delhi and Mumbai amongst world's costliest office locations. And now news in detail. Om Shanti Om in UK's top 10. Bollywood star Shah Rukh Khan's latest movie Om Shanti Om has become a hit in Britain, with the movie making its entry into UK's top 10 films with a revenue collection of over $2 million so far. Tatas get in experts for hydrogen car. The Tatas have formed a team to work closely with Indian Space Research Organisation ISRO to develop cars that will run on hydrogen. Cliff Hickman, the head of research and development at Tata Motors, is spearheading the project. US invites India to broker peace. India will attend next meeting Annapolis Conference, probably the last attempt by United States President George Bush to revive the Israel-Palestinian peace process. Archers create world record. Jamshedpur, November 21st, perhaps the first time India archers have created a world record in candid recurve team event. The World Archery FITA International Target Archery FITA ratified this through a letter issued on November 21st. Adona Raju, Rajiv Basumatari and Ravindra Himagro are the three stars who made the record at the 3rd Cadet World Archery Championship, which was held in Mexico between October 15th and 22nd last year. Thorium stock for nuclear power. India has extracted 30,000 tons of thorium concentrate to prepare for the 3rd stage of nuclear power program. The Ministers of State in Prime Minister's office, Prithviraj Chavan, told Rajya Sabha on November 22nd. Nuclear scientists expect the thorium-based 3rd stage will begin around 2030. Thorium by itself is not a nuclear fuel but has to be converted into uranium-233 fuel. This is done by adding blankets of thorium in India's 2nd stage reactors. India has vast reserves of thorium but modest amounts of uranium. Scientists at Indira Gandhi Center for Atomic Research, Kalpakkam, have said the conversion of thorium into uranium-233 fuel would depend on rate growth for 2nd stage fast-breed reactors. Delhi and Mumbai among world's costliest office locations. The scorching pace of growth in country's reality market has pushed Mumbai and New Delhi amongst the world's 10 costliest locations for selling an office. Global reality consultant CBRE said in a news report. That's all for the news today. This news bulletin was brought to you by India-Canada Cultural Association. Thank you for tuning in Sangeet Mala and keep tuned for the rest of the show. This was Palak Suryavanshi updating you with the news. Thank you. Namaste.